So now that you've got glue, markers won't boil. We can do ribbon. You want ribbons? What color would you like?
So today we're doing a make two here at Nibbles with Creatively Caring, and we're making rain sticks for the kids to take home. So what we had them do was decorate the boxes, and then we're adding popcorn, a scoop of rice, and a scoop of pasta, and then we just close that up. And the kids have a great rain stick to take home with them. And then what we're also doing is we're making flowers, and those we're donating to the Seasons of Glenview. In Glenview, it's an independent and assisted living center for seniors, so we're hoping to brighten some days with the flowers.
Can you shake it? Can you shake? Yeah. Make music. Can you make music? No.